So this is a travelog for days 6 and 7, and I'm just recording this to say that this bit is really short. And the reason that it's really short is that by this point I had totally run out of storage space, so there's no GoPro footage. Like, I was muling GoPro footage on my phone. That's how bad it had gotten. And yeah, so this is just a little short bit. It's the vlogs that I did on days 6 and 7, and it's pretty much it. Alright, so even though we did it, we're still in Inverness, which is way up in the north of Scotland. So in fact, we still have 2 days of riding ahead of us. So down to Carlisle today, and then like onwards to Bristol and Rugby tomorrow. So we're just getting all packed up for that leg down to Carlisle now. Well, we're just outside Carlisle. We stopped to get some food and liquid nourishment, and there's no food because it's all booked out. So we're having some liquids, and then we're gonna go find a takeaway probably. But we're staying here in Carlisle, and we just missioned it down as quickly as we could on the boring roads. And I'm all stiff and achy because it's boring and you don't move very much. But almost there. Oh, I'm back in petrol station in Glasgow. I was going to do a vlog this morning, but we wanted to get out early, so I didn't want to be holding people up, faffing around with stuff. We parted ways around Preston, and now I'm back here in Glasgow, and I still have a while to go to get to Rugby. But unlike on the way here, where I came over this next pass, this time we're going to go via Chapel in the Frith bus and on to Bakewell with the 86, and then see what Google wants to take me from there. So I just got home, and I'm quickly running to the shop to catch the end of Sunday trading hours, and it's been kind of a long journey. Like, there should probably be a badge for just getting to Inverness and back, never mind just doing the NC500. But it has been a fun trip, even though like the there and back is a slog. I took the opportunity to go over sort of some of the Peak District roads on the way back, rather than just an absolute mission on the motorways. But it's been fun, and at some point when I have the chance to lie down and like process the last week, I will maybe make a little tweet with my thoughts on it. But for now, I need to go to the shop before it closes. If you liked this video, like this video. Maybe leave a comment. Check out some of my other videos. Subscribe if you like them, and maybe hit the bell. Everyone says hit the bell. I don't know what it does, but like, it must be something good.